That is sick. Hi.
What is that?
Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Boom. Now, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be installing a mod on the car that is worth thousands. It's worth about £6 off Wish. And it's sick. You guys have seen the title, but I'm going to hype this up like you haven't seen it. Ready? This is the most amazing mod I'm probably ever going to put on my car. Boom. Look at this, boys. So what this amazing thing is if we open this up, we have these two things. What will happen with these two is we'll put them inside the doors, and then when you open the doors, it will shine the logo of your car onto the ground. So basically, you know when you open Mercedes, why did I say that so bad? You know when you open Mercedes-Benz and it's a welcome line. You just feel like royalty stepping into a Mercedes. That's what this is today. It will shine my Vauxhall logo onto the ground. This is gonna look like a total joke on my car because on a BMW, it's something that it would have. On an Audi, it's something you'd have. On a Bentley, it's something you'd have factory. But on a Vauxhall Corsa, everyone's gonna look at it and be like, right then, so here is the box. It's a courtesy door light, and as you guys can see, it will go here. But my car's only 3 doors, so it will go there and there. So yeah, it will shine the logo there. And you can basically choose whatever logo you want. Let me quickly open this. And there we have the 2 unit thingies. It's me! I feel like a bloody tech YouTuber. So here's the light projector, which will face onto the ground. And here is the film. And as you guys can see, don't know if you can actually see that, to be honest. It has a Vauxhall logo in, and obviously the light's gonna shine on that. And it's gonna have a Vauxhall logo on the floor. Also have the battery slot, which we're gonna go put some batteries in now. You know what? As much as this is going to be a joke on my car, I'm actually quite excited, and I'm honestly, you can call me a racer, mate, this is going to look peng, right? And I'm going to show you guys that in this video. It's going to be a short video because it's only a small thing, but yeah, the batteries are now in it, and you have this little manual button. You can see Vauxhall. Hey, look at that. How this actually turns on is using these magnets right here. I believe the sensor's right here. Once there's a magnet on it, it won't go. And then when there is, boom. Literally all we need to do now is stick these 2 onto my car. Let's go downstairs into the car. Alright then, so I'm in the car right now. Well, I was out the car right then, but you know, I'm in the car now and I've got the 2 things. Now, I've been looking at where to put them up. Either here, like, so it's behind the thing so I can't even see it, or in the middle, or here, away from the speaker, but you know. I think I have to put it down here actually, because the magnet has to be about there, and the sensor has to be about there. So I don't think I can actually put it down there. That's a bit annoying. I think what I'm gonna have to do right now is I'm gonna have to actually try it out. Like I might have to stick it on. I feel myself doing that, because it's just gonna get a bit tricky if I don't stick it. Okay, right, so you didn't see much of me installing that, to be honest, because it's just honestly, it got a little bit stressful, because it's not really stressful, but I got it working, look. So light on, if you can see it really slightly. Light off, mate. Light off. I had to move the magnet and the light around so that they'd actually connect, because you literally have to have like a centimetre in between it. There's my magnet. And then here's my light. It's kind of sticking half off, so it might actually getting stuck at some point. But yeah, that's honestly sick. And we're gonna come look at this in the night. I'm gonna do the other one off camera because it's quite stressful actually. This one didn't take me as long because I knew what I was doing, but obviously I do need to somehow make this bit more stable on it. But yeah, you can see the Vauxhall logo, and then the magnet is placed like on the edge, so you can see as they come closer they get in contact and then they stop. Here it is, shining bright, look at that. And obviously there's the magnet, so shut it. There you go. Honestly really excited to see how it looks at night, because who the fuck wouldn't want this on your car? Look at me carrying my tripod and shit. I cleaned my car today, it looks quite clean. I'm gonna polish it later, so, or now actually. Alright then guys, so I'm now in the whip. The only thing you're going to be able to see is the car LED projector light. It's sick! I didn't look at it yet, so this is going to be my first impression. Alright then boys, just so that we can see, obviously, we're going to turn on the car. I'm going to turn on my LED lights. Right, there you go boys. There you go. Now the footwells are lit up and everything. Let me turn that off. Let's have a look now at the projector light. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That is sick. Oh my god. That is fucking sick. And then obviously there's the car. Jeez. So obviously it's cool because when you open the car, there's that. You open the car. There's the projector. Let's go to the other side. Open here. Oh, that is just sick. I've switched over to the Canon. It's probably a bit more better in the low light, but here it is again. Look how bright that is. On the Canon, it looks so bright, but it's so nice. Jeez, look. And obviously there's all my lights in there. And obviously it doesn't need to be hardwired or anything, so look. And you can put any logo you want there, which is really cool. So here is the logo. Honestly, it's actually really, it's not as bright as it is on camera, but obviously it's quite a good detail, to be fair. It's quite bright for even using batteries. Honestly, look how sick this just looks. Woo! It's like climbing into a spaceship. Look. So you've got the purple lights on, nice, and then we got the logo light. Let's hop in. Ah! But yeah guys, unfortunately, I don't know if you guys can even see me, but that is the end of today's video for the projector lights. Once again, it's just sick, it honestly is. But yeah, it cost me like £6 to buy off Wish. Oh, come on. It was a bit hard finding a Vauxhall one, because nobody wants a f***ing Vauxhall one. If you guys either want one on your car, tell me. If you guys already have one, tell me. But yeah guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you are new. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff if you haven't already. Like the video if you did, and dislike it if you didn't. Comment aircon if you did get to the end of this video, and I'll subscribe to the first 5 people who do that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. From me and the projector lights, goodbye.